1 unit ahead, so that eventually it will be 2D. Okay, sweep. What do you want to sweep, or what do you want to extrude? We want to extrude this set of lines. We will give the name of the set lines. Okay, so then so after extruding this set of lines, a new set will be opened. A new set will be created automatically by sweep command. We will name it sweep lines. Okay, and then tra means translation. It means moving. So how do you want to move the line? We will move it by 0, 10, 0. It means x is 0, 10 is y, and this 0 is z. So it's coordinate system. So we will move those set by this coordinate system. So it means we will move it 10 unit ahead y-axis, positive y-axis. Then 10. What does that 10 mean? This 10, which has been typed eventually at the end of the line, it means after extruding those lines above, the line that corresponds y-axis needs to be divided into 10 segments, or into 10 smaller portions of line segments, and also that's for the mesh. Okay, we will save this one, and then we will close here, tools, preprocess. Okay, plot PA all. Okay, here even points have been extruded, then plus LA all. Okay, that's it. Right now it has been turned into 2D. There's something else. If we rather than using mouse in order to rotate it, we can also use command. We will click here, we will type rot -z. So here we type rotation -z into the rotation around minus z axis. Here is the output we got it. Then we will type plus plot SA all. SA means name of surfaces of all sets inside this geometry. SA doesn't exist. Okay, plot SA all. Okay, now we have A001, A002, A003, A004. These names and labels have been given to the surfaces automatically. Okay, now we succeed in turning 1D into 2D, and now we will turn this 2D into 3D by sweeping surfaces. We will close this one. We will come back to here. Okay. After sweeping lines, we will make another set of surface. Set A means make a set and add items. The items here are surfaces S. S corresponds for surface, and the name of the newly opened set is surfaces. And after adding those surfaces, we have to give the names of the surfaces that we want to group them into one set. Here are the names of the surfaces we saw a few seconds ago. Set A, we will give name for this new set, surfaces. Then we want to add surfaces as A001, A002, A003, A004. Okay, and now we want to extrude this set. We will use sweep. Okay, let me make small. sweep. Which set we want to sweep? Of course, surfaces. Surfaces. And then, as I mentioned before, while we are sweeping and extruding surfaces or lines, new lines and new surfaces will be created, and we have to group those newly automatically created lines and surfaces into a new set, and we have to give name to that set. Here it has given swept surfaces, name swept surfaces. It's the name of this set that will holding the new extruded and swept surfaces. And then translation. We have to move the surfaces by this coordinate system 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. It means 1 unit ahead according to z axis, and then we will give division. It's only one division. Okay, let's save this. Save tools preprocess. Plot all, nothing. Okay, plot PA all plus LA all plus SA all. Okay, right now it has been turned into 3D. Okay, and then there's something else. Now all these commands are holding the whole geometry that we have made so far. We want to do something. We want to include all these geometries into one set. We will make a new set, set O. Set O, it means opening a new set, set O beam. Okay, set O beam. Then in the beginning of these commands, we will type set O beam. It means we will hold and include all these geometries into a single set called beam. Here we have opened the set, and here we will close the set. Set C, it means set close. Set C beam, we have to type the name of the set. So now this set starts from beam and ends by beam, set open, set close. All these geometries will be into one set. File, save. Okay, we have already made the geometry. File, save, preprocess, viewing, fill, viewing, toggle model edges. Why it doesn't show? Okay, let's come to here. Frame. Viewing, fill, toggle, surface views. Anyway, plot SA all. And sometimes it will be good to change the background color in order to make the model appearing obviously. We will go to view, toggle background color, background turning into black, and here easily we can see the model. View, toggle, model edges. Okay. Then here we have one thing remaining. After making geometry, we have to talk about how to mesh it. And here these two lines, LT beam, HE8, and mesh beam, is talking about the mesh. Here there are the mesh elements that are available in CalculiX have been briefly discussed in this website. We'll go back to the previous part 1. Okay. Here these are the mesh elements available in CalculiX BE2, BE3, and the explanation of each one of them is written here. The one which we use here in this example for cantilever beam is this one, HE8. It means 8 nodes 3D linear brick element. Okay, we will type this one from, we will type it here from Google. Okay, this type which we are using cantilever beam is this one. So it means the geometry or the cantilever beam, the model that has been created, is going to be distributed through small portions, including these squares, and then nodes are assigned into the corner of each one of the squares. So here, this mesh, plenty of this type of mesh will be available in the cantilever beam. So each one of this